Hello everyone, this news came out just this morning, not even an hour ago, where Palantir and the US government is going to continue working on COVID-19 vaccine distribution. So basically they announced on their investor page today that the US Department of Health and Human Services has renewed its commitment to working with Palantir to support COVID-19 vaccine distribution for another year. So basically Palantir is helping in vaccine distribution, enabling international distribution, and improving the equity and efficacy of vaccine programs. Palantir was commissioned in the mid-2020 by the Department of Health and Human Services to build Tiberius, a software platform it uses to track vaccine production, distribution, and administration across the United States. Tiberius is named after a Star Trek and also a name of a great Roman emperor. So basically back in October of 2020, this is an article from the Wall Street Journal, going back to October 2020, where they spoke about how Palantir was going to help the government make this application called Tiberius at an attempt to cutting edge data science to help the federal government manage the work of protecting Americans again. Now, Tiberius is based on Palantir's Foundry application, and it's basically going to help the state and local health officials in tracking and understanding where vaccines have to be deployed. For example, the state and local health officials who are setting up programs for vaccinating residents said that Tiberius could further their efforts by, for example, identifying high priority populations and then allocating shots to healthcare workers, the elderly, and others at high risk of infection. Well, if you remember, Palantir also works with the CDC and the FDA in order to understand and track the COVID-19 data as well. So imagine the amount of power the company has already in terms of managing and understanding and distribution of vaccines under the banner of COVID-19. This is basically from Akash Jain, where he's talking about as new variants emerge and pose a renewed risk to public health in the United States and around the world, we are humbled to have earned the confidence of HHS once again to help support its life-saving work. So basically now the advent of the new variants, the Delta and the Lambda and all these variants that may still come up, basically that gives a good pipeline for Palantir to continue working in this direction of vaccine distribution. And this is just one aspect what they're converting. There are many other things that they are getting into. So that's amazing. Just found it interesting. Wanted to share with you. This is not financial advice, just researching on what's happening across the companies. With that, take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.